know exactly what I'm doing.
I don't get nervous, but I'm starting to get a bit shaky, you know what I mean? I'm a little bit weak. If it all goes Pete-tongue the day I'm going home, so it can't go Pete-tongue.
Thomas is promising us 5 different items. Coconut rice, coconut naan, and coconut curry. Coconut in 3 things? That's really, really rich. With that, we've got cheesy peas. And on the side, we've got the bhaji. I admire Thomas's ambition. I presently do not admire his bench.
This mess is unbelievable, isn't it? Look at the mess I'm making.
You have got to be a takeaway man, right?
Love a takeaway, love a curry.
How often do you have a takeaway, Thomas?
Twice a week, I reckon. Sometimes 3 times.
5 different things. You're being very ambitious. Are you a gambling man? What's the chances of all 5 of these things turning out OK?
About 50 to 1 at the minute. The naan's a little bit burnt. The onion bhaji's falling apart. The curry's really spicy. The cheesy peas ain't sticking together. And the rice is burnt. But apart from that, we're doing all right.
It's way more intense than I thought it would be. All I do is think about food. I'm on the internet looking at food. I'm trying out different things with food. Every spare minute I get, I'm inviting people over to try things. What's happened to me?
What are you making, sir?
Beef kebabs with a little bit of an Indian twist. I'm going to try and make some coconut rice, a garlic flatbread, and then a raita. I'm using flavours that I never would have thought of before. I'm learning on the job.
You are learning as you're going along, and you are learning really fast. Keep it up.
Gethin is making for us a beef kebab, which I consider to be maybe Middle Eastern. But on his marinade, he has got soy sauce. I think about China. But in a flatbread with garnishes, which are Indian-inspired, it's as if Gethin's gone to lots and lots of different takeaways and put the whole lot out on the table for the family.
15 minutes left, everybody. 15 minutes, that's all you got.
I feel slightly overwhelmed.
You have just 2 minutes left.
Last touches, final touches.
My thing for the sauce, I can't find it.
Judy, hurry up. We're running out of time rapidly. Time's up. Stop. Stop.
Sam's Chinese takeaway dish is wonton noodle soup, chili and garlic deep-fried chicken wings, roasted bang-bang cauliflower in a chili jam, and Asian-style salt and pepper chips, served with a prawn and chili dip.
Sam, your salt and pepper chips need to be cooked a little bit more so they are more crispy. The rest of it is fantastic. Your soup's the star. Woody with the shiitake mushrooms. You've made your own wontons with prawns and pork and spring onions and a little bit of sesame oil. Nicely flavoured, well executed, huge amounts of work, and it looks good.
Your chicken wings are perfectly cooked, and that bang-bang cauliflower is fantastic.
Happy. To be honest, I was a little bit taken back because they were so pleased with the flavour and how it went.
Riyadh is serving RFC, Riyadh's fried chicken, served with buttery corn on the cob, coleslaw, potato mash, and gravy.
Riyadh, an absolute perfect plan right from the start. Takeaway, what else do you want? Crispy fried chicken, crisp on the outside, soft on the inside, as it should be. And it's well seasoned.
You made your own mayonnaise for your slaw, well done. And that's creamy and the vegetables there are crunchy. Your mashed potato is really smooth and your chicken I really, really like, Riyadh.
Thank you. I'm proud of what I've done. I can't do any more than that, and I would eat that right now in a heartbeat.